Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Java camera app not working. So let's get started. So here you have to follow these instructions. So just press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this app icon like I button. It will open the app info of the app. Then here we have to scroll down at the last. Then we have to click on the storage. Just click on clear data. Just delete it. Open it again, Java app. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work for you, then probably you have to check for an update. So checking for an update is easy. You can directly go to the Google search bar also, and you can directly search from the Google Play Store. So here I'm using Google Play Store. If you are an iOS user, then you have to use your Apple Store. So at here I will directly search for the Java camera. Okay, app. So from here I can click on here and update it and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.